No, that's the big one.
This is case number 21-16881. This is Discover Bank versus Woody Gren, G-R-E-N. The matter is before the court, set on for a hearing. It looks like this is a complaint regarding a claim of indebtedness under a Discover card situation. Your appearance for Discover at this time.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jeffrey Beers, P41693 on behalf of plaintiff Discover Bank.
All right, thank you. Good morning to you, Mr. Beers. I'm looking now for Mr. or what's the last name, Grim. If you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. For Woody Grim, a person purportedly living at an address on Glastonbury in the city of Detroit. I did receive a note from Mr. Green. The note says the complaint has Green as well. Somehow I noticed he got Green, G-R-E-N. In any event, I received a note dated in November of 2021 that really addresses the difficult situation, as the defendant says, which caused me to fall behind on my credit card. He says, I hope you will work with me. And he expresses apology in this regard. Yeah. Mr. Green on the Zoom. Mr. Green. All right, counsel, I see that you offered a petition for entry of judgment by default. The court did enter the default in this matter on the 17th, it looks like. It's right at the 12th of November 2021. The judgment, however, has not been entered up to this time. Your pleasure at this time, sir.
Your Honor, plaintiff moves for entry of default judgment due to failure to appear the amount of $4,729.05, which is composed of damages of $4,591.17, filing fee of $75, service fee of $62.88, for a total amount of $4,729.05.
Given the fact that the defendant did not appear or otherwise plead or defend with regard to this matter, I noted, of course, the letter that was received, which basically admitted to the claims that gave explanations as to why the defendant had not been able to pay or had not been paid. And given the fact that the court did send notice regarding this date, the defendant has not appeared for this hearing. Accordingly, the judgment will enter by default and terms paid. The total amount of the judgment is $4,729.05. It is so ordered at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will submit a proposed judgment.
I signed the order already. It's already submitted the judgment, so it's already.
Oh, good. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Right. This is case number 21-165-742. This is Gateway Financial Solution versus last name is Love. It looks like that first name is Shahaz, S-H-A-H-N-A-Z. Last name Love. Your appearance at this time for the plaintiff in this matter, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Scott Schisler, P48832.
Thank you, Mr. Schisler, and good morning to you, sir. For the defendant in this matter, counsel, your appearance at this time.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kelsey Sill, P83841 for Miss Love, who's present via Zoom courtroom.
Thank you, counsel, and good morning to you, Ms. Sill. I have received, of course, the answer to the complaint in this matter. Have the parties talked about this at all? Any chance of getting this moved into some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor, we've exchanged some extensive discovery. And in fact, Ms. Sill and I were on the phone before this conference. I believe we're getting fairly close to a resolution. If you could give us about 30 days, I think we can have it resolved.
Still?
I agree with that, Your Honor.
All right, so what I will do is I'll adjourn this hearing over for review in 30 days. We'll take a look at where things are at that time with an aim towards seeing if it can get resolved. If not, the court will set up another mechanism for moving the case forward. But it does make sense given the fact that the parties have engaged in some discussions already to grant the requested adjournment in 30 days. So the next action date of this matter is going to be the 7th of April, 4/7/22, and that's going to be at 9:30 a.m.
Your Honor, I have a conflict with that. Is it possible if we could do a different day than that?
All right,
What about the 5th?
before the 7th.
You want April 5th?
Yeah, can you do the 5th?
Yes.
That work for you, okay, Council?
Yes.
That's going to be 4/5/22 at 9:30 a.m. 4/5/22 at 9:30 a.m. And the court finds good cause for the adjournment. I wish the three of you well. The date you just saw, that'll be the next action date. And that is April the 5th, 2022 at 9:30 a.m.
All righty.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, the court calls case number 21-169-362. This is April Duran versus Best Deals Auto Sales. The matter is before the court selling for a hearing on today's date. This looks like the first hearing after the complaint was filed on this matter. Right, do I have on this matter April Duran, please, if you're on this matter, if you're here, say something, Ms. Duran.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. You are April Duran, is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir, good morning.
All right, good morning to you. All right, just one moment. And let me see, do I have someone for Best Deals Auto Sales, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
And who's that?
I'm the manager of Best Deals Auto Sales.
Yeah, give us your name, sir.
Manhal Ablahat.
All right, thank you, Mr. Aldahat. And Mr. Aldahat, is your business incorporated, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right, I kind of felt that was the case. You know, under Michigan law, it's required that the corporation be represented by an attorney. You understand that, sir?
Well, few times I have there, they said you don't need an attorney.
Yeah, well, you gotta believe them or believe the judge. I guess you'll believe the judge.
I believe now.
Under state law, you have to be represented by a counsel, even though you're an agent with regard to the corporation. The corporation is what's being sued here. That's Best Deals Auto Sales, and that agency has to be represented by an attorney. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a new date so that you can bring someone in if you wish to proceed with this matter by way of defending it. You will have to have someone representing the corporation. All right.
No problem here.
How much time will it take for you to get a lawyer involved in this?
A week.
Okay. All right. So I will let me put this off for let's see, a couple of weeks. Give you a new date to come back. Let's see if we get you back.
21st.
March 21st, 2021. Sorry, that 22. March 21st, 2022. That's going to be at 9:45 a.m. Now, Ms. Duran, because the corporation has been represented by counsel, I'm adjourning this matter and setting a new date for the agency to bring in an attorney if they're going to have someone to presenting. Let me ask you, sir, in regard to this matter, are you disputing the claim that's been brought to your agency?
Am I disputing? I'm disputing.
Mr.
You talking to Ms. Duran?
No, not Ms. Duran, Ms. Dodd. Not
Okay.
Ms. Duran, I was informing you of the adjourned date, but I'm talking now to the gentleman that's here. And my question to you, sir, is to the best of your knowledge, is Best Deals disputing the claim, or are they willing to talk about a way to resolve this?
I'm disputing the claim.
All right. Are you willing to talk informally with the other side in an effort to try and get this resolved?
No,
All right, very well. So we've got the date set. That's March 21st. That's going to be at 9:30, starting at 9:45 a.m. So I'll see each of you back at that time, and we'll go forward accordingly. All right. See you there, Mr.
thanks, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
One minute.
We're gonna hold lawyer.
The court calls case number 21-160-510. Strike at 501 are the last three digits. This is Department Stores National Bank versus Renee Smart. The matter is before the court, set on for a status conference. This is the first hearing in this matter after the filing of the complaint. Looks like so I did receive. I received an answer. I was looking for the same file. Let me get on record here. For Department Store, your appearance at this time.
Is Craig Fay, P81401 for plaintiff?
All right, thank you, Mr. Fay. Good morning to you, sir. I do see someone identifying as Smart there, Renee Smart. If you want to Zoom, say something.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I do. Good morning to
Okay.
you.
Good morning.
All right. Well, it looks like you're being sued here for a claim in the amount of $2,510.79. It seems like the allegations is that this relates to a Macy's account. And did you file an answer in this case, Ms. Oh yeah, I see it now. Okay, I see what you did, file an answer. All right, Ms. Smart. So just looking over just a couple of things here. So, Ms. Smart, are you disputing that you had an account Macy's, or you're just disputing the amounts of what's the heart of your dispute, if you will?
Well, the amount of dispute, but also I put my all my credit into net debt. So they just advised me because I am paying net debt. So they advised me to ask if I could get an extension to give them more time.
All right, let's see about that, Mr. Smart. Excuse me, Mr. Fay.
That's perfectly fine. It looks like we did receive some notification that she is working with net debt. They just haven't contacted our office yet. So if they do contact us, we'll definitely work out some type of arrangement.
Thank you. I thought this was one of the first ones that they worked on, but obviously they paid the debt down as it comes. So they just advised me to ask to give them some more time. So.
All right, so that seems to make sense. Glad that you're finding some process to try and deal with some of this. So we'll go ahead and set an adjournment. Did they tell you how much time they needed to work through this?
I'm actually paying down something that'll be done. I think she told me the end of the year, if could like have an extension like 12 months.
Oh, no, I
Cause
can't
they
do
are
it.
working on, I do have one because I'm like paying them like $250 a month. So they are working on, so an extension of 12 months.
No, I couldn't extend anything, for that kind of time.
Okay.
What I could do is I could send it a bit so that they could reach out to Mr. Fay's office and have some discussions in an effort to try and get a payment plan or some kind of strategy in place. But I would have to take a look at it again within a relatively short period of time. So I'm gonna bring it back in the month of April. So between now and that time, your agency will have to reach out to Mr. Fay's office to try to start talking about this. That doesn't mean it has to be resolved by then. It means that there has to be some movement, determining which directions the party wants to take. So I'm going to give you April the 7th
Okay.
as a return date, April the 7th at 10 o'clock a.m. That's when you'll come back before the court. Make sure you don't miss that date. And then I should be updated at that time as to the agency's efforts to assist in resolving this matter.
Okay, so Judge, wait, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
I have to come back April the 7th, or they have to negotiate? Okay, I'm a little confused. Are they have to have talked to the lawyer by April the 7th?
Yeah, both things are true. On the 7th of April, you have to come back into the Zoom at 10 o'clock a.m. Between
Okay.
now, you need to let the agency know that it's important that they have a discussion with Mr. Fay's office so that some progress can be made towards trying to get this resolved.
Oh, okay, so I'll give them a call. And I just want to make sure, let me make sure phone number. So when I called them, well, they should have everything. Oh, is this the correct phone number? The 616-940-1190?
We have a couple different numbers. If you do have a copy of our complaint, there's another 888 number on there as well. But yes, we do have a couple numbers that.
So I'm just wondering, is this the number they reach out to you?
Yeah, I can give you a different number. They may sometimes, this is the number that's on the complaint, so I'll give you
Yeah,
this
let me
number.
write it. Yeah, okay, let me write it down. And are they asking for you specifically?
Nope, they can just talk to anybody. We do have authorization on file, so we have dealt with net debt in the past, so.
Right, yeah, I thought they said they had talked to you guys. Okay, so what's the other number? Thank you.
It is 888-906-9534.
Okay, 888-906-9534.
Correct.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank
No
you.
problem.
Right, so see you on the 7th at 10 o'clock a.m., ma'am. I wish you
You
well.
say
Thank you.
April the 7th. Wait, let me just, Judge, please give me 1 second. I just want to look at that day, so I'll make sure. April 7th. I just want to make sure. Could it be, okay, oh, no, I'm sorry. April 7th. April 7th. Couldn't be on another Tuesday? The 5th or the 12th?
All right, I can put it on I can put it on either one of those dates. Council, what do you prefer?
That's fine. Somebody from our office would be able to appear on either date, whichever is open for Ms. Mark.
Yeah, Tuesday is a little bit better. I am at work, but our schedule is a little less hectic on Tuesday.
4/12 at 10 o'clock a.m.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right, good day to you.
Right.
Good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
blessed day. Thank you. All right. 4/12. 4/12, 10 o'clock.